How to install 3-light urban fush light. Remove the fixture from the carton and check all parts and accessories. Adjust arms to the proper position. Pass the fixture wires through tube and canopy. Then screw tube onto canopy and the top of sockets assembly. Remove nuts from iron arms. Carefully and gently pull the outlet box wires through the mounting plate. Attach mounting plate to outlet box with mounting screws. Twist plastic wire connector until wires are tightly joined. Wrap each connector with approved electrical tape. Be sure that no wire strands are exposed and tuck all wires into the outlet box. Align the holes in the canopy with the mounting screws. Attach the back plate using ball knobs. Carefully align holes of glass shade and arms, then secure them with nuts. Install bulbs. LNC is always aimed at bringing home furnishings with love. We hope you enjoy your new LNC light.